What is up, you guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I know I have been gone for so long. It's been over a month since I have uploaded, but I have come back to me wanting to do the eating at the best reviewed restaurant in my city. But I was like, I don't do like Mexican or Italian or something like everyone else does. See, my city is known for barbecue, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do the best reviewed barbecue in my area. But if y'all don't know what challenges I'm talking about, I'll go to Brennan Taylor. He does it too. Well, a lot of YouTubers do, but he does like all of them. He did the buffet one. Here, look. Let's see, look. He did the buffet one in Las Vegas. Best reviewed restaurant in my city. Best reviewed Mexican restaurant. Worst reviewed Indian. Anyways, you guys get the point. But I am going to do that today. I am going with my cousin today because I was like, I need a filmer and I need someone else to go with. She was like, okay, I'll go. So I'm going to find the best reviewed barbecue place in my area. I'm going to screen record the screen so you guys can see that I'm watching the reviews as well. So, top rated barbecue places near me. Yes. We got Brad's Barbecue, 171 reviews. See, I don't want to use like any like normal one. I want to use like one that's like the highest with the most views. Like, I don't even really eat barbecue because I just usually don't even eat out anymore, but I am for the sake of this video. Oh my goodness, my screen stopped recording. That's not good. There we go. We're back on. But, so, yeah, I don't even really eat barbecue. So, whoa, Central Barbecue on Summer. 1,000 reviews with 4.5 stars. So, Elwood's 4.7. Not so good. Baby Jack's only 300. Corky's a 1,600 with a 4.5. That may be an option. Only places I've eaten at barbecue is Brad's Barbecue right here, right down the street. Come on now, I know there's more than 5 different ones. Top right. It's literally just showing the same ones over and over and over. This is literally reviews. And you guys know, I'm not in my room. That's a fuzzy blanket. I'm at my cousin's house waiting on her to come home. Alright. Loved it. Great service. Very helpful. Ribs were the best I've ever had. Very laid back. Enjoyed the company of the fire department while we ate. Really, though, the outdoor tent was cool. Next time we'll sit out there. So they have an outdoor tent. Sam says, amazing barbecue. Was a very short line. Very short wait, even though the line was long. Barbecue was delicious. Da 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 da. My favorites are by far the pork platter and ribs. Mac and cheese are also very solid. So he gives pictures. That's just a restaurant. Oh, the nachos are really, really good. And I think she just pulled up, so I think we're going to go to this one. 2,500 reviews with 4.5 stars. So that's pretty good. I want to read one more. Chris says, this is one of the Memphis best known barbecue joints. You want to try, at least try the slaw. It comes on your side of the sandwich, which I wasn't used to, but enjoyed trying because it was different. They run efficient. Since the line stays out the door, you'll be very hard pressured to find a place to park with the food, and live music is worth it. So yeah, I think that's the place I'm going to be going to. Let me go ahead and stop screen recording. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get there. You guys enjoy the fast forward. Sorry, you guys, we just got here. See, it's Central BBQ, says it right there. Hopefully they don't say anything about filming, but I don't really care if they do anyway because I'm gonna still film. But yeah, we're walking in right now. Well, the menu is very, very small. I know that. But it was good though. Since we walked in, they were asking if we wanted anything. And we were like, we don't know yet, so they just told us to go have a seat.
They let us pick a seat.
I didn't really eat barbecue. I don't want to try just barbecue. Give me like, oh my god, the brisket though. The brisket is $15.
Barbecue nachos. Hot wings.
So yeah, it's really not that cheap. I guess it's somewhat in the middle because barbecue is really expensive here anyway. But still, it's kind of a lot. The sandwiches all are at least $6, $4.25 and whatnot.
Guys, sorry I didn't see y'all back here.
It's okay.
Y'all doing alright today?
Yeah, we're good.
Awesome. I'm Tracy. I'll be taking care of you. What y'all drinking?
Water.
Water.
Did y'all need a second to look over the menu?
Yes, we did.
Okay, I'll be right back.
So, the person was really good.
Yeah, she's nice.
She's nice. She came super quick too. We only sat down for like 1 minute or so. So, what's a bar shirt? Oh, it's just, these are salads and stuff.
So you can get...
Remember, this thing has 2,500 reviews. All 4.5 stars, so. They said a lot of barbecue. I didn't see anything about the plates and whatnot.
You can get barbecue nachos with pork, beef, chicken, or turkey.
I don't want a snack. I don't know why it says snack.
Salad.
I don't want ribs.
You can get salad. Or just
So,
meat.
obviously, they really don't care about filming in here at all. So, there's the back. Oh, this is like drinks and stuff. We already got water, so hopefully they can hear me.
Right.
I'm kind of talking really slow. Low. If you're getting nachos, I have to get something else then.
I'm getting it with chicken.
Chicken.
And I'm going to get it with no jalapenos.
What's wrong with jalapenos?
I don't like them. Why don't you get like some hot wings?
Yeah, maybe I'll get one of those and something else because barbecue place isn't known for hot wings. If the barbecue and the hot wings are good, then...
That's true. You could get...
Is there like a combo I can do? Oh, here it is, right here, the plates. 2 small sides.
You could get a pulled pork plate with 2 sides and a roll or a bun.
It says, Central Barbecue menu items are consistently voted #1 in the Memphis Flyer Memphis Magazine's reader polls. They should have that at the top. They have it like right in the middle.
I don't see it.
Right there. Wait, I don't see it. No. Where'd it go?
Right there?
Oh, wait, no. What?
I don't see that. Oh my god, we have different menus.
We do.
That's weird.
Maybe this one's newer, I guess. I don't know.
They have gluten-free. Oh, this one says voted #1 in Memphis. #1 ribs in Memphis?
Wait, that says 2,100 reviews.
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
No idea for me yet.
No clue? You want another minute?
I want to order.
Okay.
I'm really hungry.
What you getting at?
I'm gonna get the barbecue nachos.
Okay. You want the full or the half order?
Half with chicken. I want chicken. Is that good?
Chicken's really good.
I'll do that. And
You like
then
jalapenos on it?
Is beef brisket?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to do beef.
Instead of the chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're doing beef.
Yeah.
You want another minute to look?
Just give me the pulled pork plate, I guess.
Okay. Just the loose meat, or you want it made as a sandwich?
Sandwich is fine.
Okay. And you get 2 sides of that.
Let me get. Okay, yeah. See,
Show them the cup.
she's
Look
good.
at the cup. That's cute.
We get to keep it too.
Yeah, you do.
Smoke is our sauce. I don't know if this is like supposed to be like tie-dye deal or whatever.
It is.
Only took like 9 minutes or so. It is 10 minutes. Exactly 10 minutes right here. So, I don't know what, this is the potato salad right here. What is this?
That's slaw.
Slaw. Look how big this sandwich is, seriously. Like, oh my god. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm trying to talk kind of low. But,
And then this is the half order of nachos. It's like huge.
I'll show you guys the thumbnail. I don't think it looks right. It needs to be different. You see? That doesn't really look right. So, as soon as she gets done with that bite, I want to make her redo it again. But how does that taste at least?
Really good. Really good.
Is it chicken or that's not chicken? It's pork. I'm gonna get one little piece of it.
It's good.
All right.
How does it taste?
Okay, so I see why it's like 4 stars. It's like so chewy, not tough at all. Really, really good.
If you want to mix it that way or not.
It's actually really good. And then I was like cheaper than mine, and it looks way better than mine. But
I want to try a little piece of yours.
I've had barbecue, obviously, but this is supposed to be the best of the best. So here we go. Yep. It's actually really, really good. I don't know why I got this. I'm not even going to really eat this. Because you can have it.
I don't want it. Here, I'll try it though. I'll say if it's good.
I mean, it looks good, but I just don't eat stuff like that, really. I mean, it all looks good, but I don't even
I told
know.
him to get french fries.
The beans has pork already in it. Wait, it is pork, right?
Yeah. They're pork beans.
Yep. So good. For real.
This is filling. I'm almost full.
No, that's actually better than mine, actually. But yeah, it came super, I cannot stress that enough. It is so good, but then it came super, super fast, too. Like, for real. Look how big this is, seriously. This is in my hand, this is half of it. Yeah. Hands down, what is that?
Brisket.
Brisket nachos, hands down. Better than all this stuff right here. Even the cheese on it is like so, like lightly coated and like so perfectly on top on there. It's like not cold, anything. It's completely heated throughout. It's so good.
It's pretty busy in here for let's say Monday night.
Yeah, Monday night. 7 o'clock. Pretty busy. But it is also a top rated barbecue place here, so I can see why it's busy on every night. Yeah, these have kind of like a little spice to it. It's a good spice though, not like super hot, but like it's got a little kick to it. It's pretty good. But this right here, super, super messy. But I guess you can always think of that when you get barbecue, though. Now this is cold. I think this is supposed to be cold, though.
I don't know. I've never had that.
We still got more people coming in.
I'll try it.
Yeah, try that. And try this too.
I'll just try the meat of it.
I mean, the meat is just normal. I mean, it still tastes like really good. But that is the best, for sure.
Mine's better.
Yeah. Even she says it. See, she's already full.
I don't know what's in this. I've never had potato salad, but try it with me.
But see, your hair grows so fast.
Try it with me.
Yeah.
I'm a bit nervous.
For sure. Alright, she wants me to try. Okay, never mind. What is it?
But anyway, I'm just glad. And you know, they'll serve us back here.
This has eggs in it.
So,
Eggs in it? No,
It's made
no.
out of eggs.
I don't eat eggs.
yeah,
It tastes like the white,
take
the
chairs on each end.
yellow part of an egg.
So we'll be fine.
The yolk?
Wait, is that slaw? Oh, that's.
Don't do it again.
This is slaw. I don't know what she's saying.
It looks funny.
I mean, it's supposed to look like that, though. Yeah, we're good.
It's okay.
No, we're good.
I know, but you shouldn't.
Oh my goodness, I'm kind of cut out. I gotta boost myself
Because
up.
you're tall.
I'm trying to slouch down because this is like the edge of the table. I'm trying to get both of us in at the same exact time. But yeah, these are better. This is better than the sandwich itself, but I can see why people come here to get this. I mean, it's really filling already, and I haven't even like
Quit your drinking, ma'am.
eaten most of it.
The nachos are cheap too. They're like
No, ma'am. This is a fountain machine.
$6.50, and it's so filling.
I do.
Well, you guys, we're just not getting done eating. I'm not gonna take any of the rest of this. You're gonna probably need a to-go box, probably, because she's full, and she only ordered half. Not even a full. She ordered half, and I only ate like half of this, and I ate some of these beans right here. But yeah, these cups you get to keep too as well. That's what she said. And the girl who brought out our food was not our server, and she was super nice as well. So all the people here are nice. It's super clean. Nothing. Bathroom's clean. Everything like that. It is a little pricey though, but it is barbecue. But overall, it was good. I liked it.
It's pretty good.
We should have really got was something like smoked turkey or something like that.
Actually, what we were
I
going
wanted
to
the
do,
wings.
and
It only comes in order of 3.
I haven't met him, but I know he's
he is, so,
Wait, where did it go?
Oh,
Yeah,
that's weird.
3 or 6. But yeah, now we gotta go pay, and hopefully it's not too bad. I think it's mine's $10.50 and hers is $6.50. So yeah, normal. I guess for eating out. Almost $20. Cheaper than normal actually.
To be the #1 best.
Yeah, see, it says it all over the menu. It says, well, you can't see it because how small it is, but they have it all over. It says voted #1 here. It's talking about the magazine here, and the Memphis Flyer and all that. But yeah, we're gonna go pay, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we get back outside. Alright, we're back in the car. Definitely, overall, super good, super fast. Not really that expensive, but yeah, if you guys come here, make sure you guys come to Central Barbecue right here. It's really good, really fast. But yeah, I think we're going to end it here. Make sure you guys leave a comment of which ones y'all want to see next of worst or best reviewed. I think I already have a couple in mind, but you guys can go ahead and comment. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys later.